Hello everyone. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. You have the Chariot in reverse. There might be a forceful love that I'm feeling whenever you might be in a relationship. It is something that they force on you. Maybe those people around you force you into this kind of a relationship. Maybe you're in an arranged marriage. I see that there might be lack of direction going on in your life. You may feel unmotivated. You have this um, very low energy in terms of love or in career. I think is you're still wondering what's going what would be your future would look like. For some of you might be feeling stress. You feel so uninspired. Maybe in your current situation right now you don't feel stability. You lack of support from those people around you. You feel uninspired. You might be feeling unwanted, and you also thinking that when is this going to end? Because I think there are things that they force on you, and you don't have the power, or you don't have the guts to say no to them. And I also feel that you're unhappy because of those things that they force on you that you don't like. Let's get another card. You have the Page of Pentacles. You don't have to worry. I think even in your situation, very challenging situation that they force on you into doing things or being with someone that you don't love or working with something that you don't like. You have this Page of Pentacles because this Page of Pentacles in upright positions. Upright position offers you a new energy, maybe a new emotion on love, perhaps, or in your career. There's going to be a new opportunity coming in, and it's up to you whether you're going to take it or not. So let's get another card at the end of the 15. You have the Knight of Swords. I feel that you feel very excited about this new opportunity, but the universe is telling you to um, think before you act, think before you accept those things. Because the Knight of Sword in reverse, this is the card of a reckless ambition, acting without thinking. Maybe you're too excited about this opportunity coming in. There might be risk involved. So I think the universe is telling you to take a pause, think twice, Don't be too impulsive. I need I think you need to see yourself first, your emotion, to check in your emotion before deciding to accept this opportunity, because the Knight of Swords reminds you to not be too impulsive and think carefully whether this opportunity is good for you, and don't take any risk yet if you're not yet ready, if your emotion is not yet fully healed. Let's get a mystic forest oracle cards. Angel, please guide Taurus this coming April 1 to 15, 2025. Miracles in the dark. Wow. In the darkest moments, it's easy to feel lost and alone. When you stay focused on the light, you'll receive blessings beyond your wildest dreams. The angel is saying that there's a miracles in the dark. You're going to get through this very challenging situation. You're going to receive an opportunity, but the universe is still reminding you to think carefully whether it's good for you or not, whether it's going to give you motivation, inspiration, things that can make you happy. The universe is telling you to um, pause for a minute, think about your emotion first, think about yourself, assess your situation before receiving any opportunity. That's your reading, Taurus, for April 1 to 15, 2025. Take what resonate and leave the rest that are not.